Bitcoin is in danger. We broke a massive support line, Bratans, at 43,450. Right now we are about to retest to the upside, but we broke also before this huge rising wedge, which the technical price of this rising wedge is always the bottom of the wedge, which would be approximately at the level of 43,524, which is also perfectly in alignment with our CME gap, which is still open here. Nobody is speaking about the CME gap, which is open around 40,370 and 3,950. And in case we are breaking down, in case this huge rising wedge working out, then we're breaking also below this red support line. This red support line is a massive support line, which was previously a massive resistance line. If we are zooming out on the weekly, we see it on the weekly. This is a support and resistance line, which is coming back from 2020. It was support line here, support and resistance. Here we finally broke it to the upside, and it's a huge support line. In case we are breaking it to the downside, this would be not so nice, because then we are heading down. In case we are breaking it down, then we are heading down to the next support line, which is at around 38,800, right? And this is the price target. In case we not manage to break again above 43,450, I'm expecting that we could break down to 38,800 to close also our CME gap, Ratan. So watch out for this. This could be possibly a short opportunity for Bitcoin. And in case we're breaking 38,800, then the price target is very clear. Then the price target is 30,500. Why 30,500? No, even lower, below 30,500. Then the price target is the monthly support line, which is the monthly 50 moving average, which is around 36,800. But let's wait in case we have just to watch how we closed on the daily. So in case the daily is closing clearly below 43,400, 43,500, then we know we are going down to 38,800 to close our CME gap. So watch out for this. I show you also my trade. So I'm right now still in my FXS position, which is a long position. I'm $8,000 in profits. I think I will take here 50% profits and set my stop loss to my entry position, which is at $8.30, because in case Bitcoin further break to the downside, then I seeing also FXS further dumping. And now you can close the video if you're not interested in altcoins, because now I speak about FXS and Solana. So first, let's speak about FXS. So I will take 50% profits, because in case Bitcoin breaking further down, then I'm expecting FXS could go as low as, let me, it's loading, wait a second. So FXS, we have here some supports of FXS. Oh, that's not nice, man, that's not loading, black. Okay, I tell you like this. FXS has some support levels, because I remember at around $7.20. So in case FXS is breaking, in case Bitcoin is further breaking down, I'm expecting also FXS breaking down to the major support level of around $7.20 approximately. Now it's loading, I can show you even. So you see it here. We are going on the daily on FXS. And you see here $7.60 is one of the weekly support line, $7.60. The next one is $7.20, a weekly 20 moving average, and the next, this by the way 50 moving average, and the next one is $6.90. So this is again entry position, which I'm watching for in case my long position is getting stopped out at the entry position. So these are $7.20, $7.20 and $6.90 and $7.60. So I would set here limit orders for long again FXS, because FXS are expecting to go as high as $14, as I spoke in yesterday's video. So let's right now watch Solana, because Solana are expecting further to dump, even though people saying, oh no, it will not dump. But this makes me very confident that we will see actually dump, because if people getting so hyped about a project which pumped already, I mean, if you see here Solana pumped since the bottom, Solana pumped over 500%. For this major market cap, this is huge. I mean, if you saw only in the last week, we saw a pump of over 60%. I don't expect that I see Solana to cool down before we see further moving to the upside. And where the price target is that it will cool down at least $100, because $100 is a big psychology border, a big historical border, and we could go even as low as $80. But my price target is here $100 to be safe. So I set here my take profits at around $100. Where do you see the take profits here? I don't see where you see it Anyways, I said here my take profit at $100. I'm right now $400 in profits approximately. I'm expecting Solana further to dump right now. So just watch out that your stop loss is still also above $118 in case you're going right now into a short position of Solana. And I will update you on my positions here on my Crypto Bratan Twitter channel or X channel. Here I'm writing you also that I make a giveaway for Solana, and here I'm updating you also about my position. So I right now will take 50% of the table here on FXS because the danger is too high of Bitcoin. And if you also want to short, to long, to whatever, you can do it also on Bybit. $1,000 bonus you get on Bybit through my affiliate link. If you want, click down below, make a registration, put $100 in, get $1,000 bonus. So what do you think, Bratan? Will we see huge drop or will we see further pump to the upside? For me, it's very clear that I'm expecting to close the CME gap. So what do you think, Bratan? Thank you everyone for watching. Kiss you and see you later.